Welcome to day 22. Today I wanted to share this sweet and crunchy snack. As a kid, I always loved putting bugles on the end of my fingers and pretending they were long fingernails. I wanted to add a slight twist to this childhood favorite. To make your own witch fingers, you need plain bugles, black candy melts, and a storage jar. Create, Craft, Love has provided a cute label that you can attach to the side of your jar. I will have a link to the printable in the description box below. Melt the candy melts according to the package instructions. Once melted, just dip the tips of the bugles into the candy. Place on parchment paper and put in the freezer to allow them to harden. Repeat the process until you have enough witch fingers for your Halloween party. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.